Hola amigos, bienvenidos. By completing this lesson, you will be able to recognize and use different colors in Spanish. First, we'll see the primary colors. Then, we'll introduce the question, ¿de qué color es? And at the end, we'll see the dark or the light color. Topic 1. In this topic, we'll see primary colors. Primary colors. Let's see the primary colors. Amarillo, which means yellow. Azul, which means blue. And the last one, rojo, which means red. Now let's see some example based on this primary colors. La caja is amarillo, which means the box is yellow, where amarillo means yellow. Let's see the next example. El cielo es azul, which means the sky is blue, where azul means blue. Let's see the next example. El marcador es rojo, which means the marker is red, where rojo means red. Topic 2. In this topic, we'll see the question, ¿de qué color es? ¿De qué color es means what color is? Let's see some examples based on this question. ¿De qué color es el taxi? Which means what color is the taxi? Can you see the picture and guess? So the answer is amarillo, which means yellow. So el taxi es amarillo, which means the taxi is yellow. Let's see the next example. ¿De qué color es el tomate? Which means what color is the tomato? Can you see the picture and guess? So the answer is rojo, which means red. So el tomate es rojo, which means the tomato is red. Let's see the next example. ¿De qué color es el ave? Which means what color is the bird? Can you see the picture and guess? So the answer is azul, which means blue. So el ave es azul, which means the bird is blue. Topic 3. In this topic, we'll see dark or light color. Oscuro or claro, which means dark or light. Negro, which means black. Blanco, which means white. Let's see some examples of negro and blanco. El carro es negro, which means the car is black, where negro means black. El perro es blanco, which means the dog is white, where blanco means white. Now answer these questions. This is an exercise for you. Try to solve it and put your answer in comment section. I'll review it and tell you whether it is correct or not. If you have any doubts, put your doubts also in comment section. Now answers of lesson 19. I hope all of you got it correct. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do subscribe my channel. Ciao amigos. Hasta pronto.